Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Phix here, and I believe it's the first time here we have Phix. And you know what? The song is even called First Time, so that is very matching here. We'll look at this song and it fits guitar very well. We will use a capo here placed on the first fret. With that, we have 5 different chords. We will look at the chords like we usually do. So let's start here with the C. That is 3rd on the A string, 2nd place on the D string, 2nd fret, and then open G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be E minor 7, so it's very easy. You play all strings open except from the 2nd fret on the A string. That's where you place your finger. Otherwise, all strings open, and there you have the E minor 7. Next chord will be a bar chord. That's the F. So place now bar finger here on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd fret on the A string, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have A minor next, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we will look at the strumming pattern that will work for this song. You could go with just plain downs. It's a little bit boring and it fits better with this strumming pattern here, so I'm gonna learn this one, teach you this one. So if you grab the first chord, which is the C, one string around will sound like this. Alright, so it's down, up, and that up there you want to emphasize a little bit, so you give some extra push to it, so like this. Short pause there, and then you continue with up, down, up. And that's it. So down, up, down, up, down, up. Alright, so the verse and the chorus will be played in the same way, and that is pretty much 80 or 90% of the song. It goes C, 1 round, 1 string around, then E minor 1, and F2. Then A minor 1, G1, and F2. So C1, E minor 1, F2, A minor 1, G1, F2. Like this. Alright, so there you have the verse and the chorus play. Then we have the pre-chorus that comes right in between the verse and the chorus. But also the post-chorus part is played in the same way as well. So you're going to play A minor 1, G1, and F2. So that is exactly the same as the second half of the verse and chorus progression there. A minor 1, G1, F2, like this. And there you have all the parts to handle Phix first time. So verse and chorus played with this 6 chords in a row, and then you have the pre-chorus and post-chorus played in the same way as the last 3 chords there, A minor, G, and F. Good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please support me here on Gordon Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.